Hi there, check out the Household Essentials Tabletop Ironing Board, perfect for small spaces like dorms and apartments. This compact ironing station measures 36.5 by 12 inches and features a retractable iron rest for secure and convenient use. Its durable steel mesh top allows steam to flow through, making your ironing smoother and more effective. The board includes a breathable 100% cotton cover with a comfortable 5mm fiber padding to prevent damp spots. When folded, it's just 1.5 inches thick and can easily hang on a door or fit into tight storage spaces. You can use it on countertops, dressers, desktops, or even beds wherever you need. This versatile and slim design makes ironing in small areas simple and efficient. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.